Hi, it's Dr. Laura Jaggett, and a real how-to-life situation occurred just now. On my way home, I got a text with a photo of this and the words, "What do we do?" From the photo, I knew exactly what had happened. One of my daughters had put something other than specifically designed dishwashing powder or pods into the machine. If you use any kind of soap other than what is specifically designed for a dishwasher, you're going to get a big bubbly mess. Nothing bad's going to happen to the machine, you're just going to have to clean up a whole lot of water. You never want to use laundry detergent for your clothes, or dishwashing liquid that you use when you're washing the dishes by hand, or hand soap. The only thing you're going to put in your dishwasher is specifically designed dishwashing powder or pods. If you ever see water coming out of your dishwasher, cancel the cycle right away. Just press the button, hold it for 3 seconds usually, turn it off, mop up the water, and wait for the bubbles to disappear. I hope this video helps you if you're having this problem right now, or helps you avoid a problem in the future. I'll see you in the next Mominar.